Hi, I'm Frank with Computer Comforts, and I was just going to take a couple minutes here today to introduce you to the patented Hideaway LCD table. A lot of colleges these days are looking to create multi-purpose classrooms. In other words, they don't want it to always be a lecture hall, or they don't want it to always be a computer lab. So I designed this table where the monitor raises up and out from below the lid, and it can be a computer lab or a general purpose classroom, just that quick. And I'm going to put this mic down to demonstrate it real quick. This pulls out, swivels. The faculty love the fact that this pulls out, swivels, and tilts because it gives the students a clear line of sight. No one's hiding behind their monitors. And then I'm going to set this down now to close it away and show you how easy it is. We have a nice safety hinge on this for a slow, soft close lid. For more information on this product, visit Computer Comforts with an S at the end, comforts.com. Thank you.